Hello, today I'm going to show you how to assemble our trellis for our Corten steel planters. The trellis will arrive in a separate box from the planter. To see how to assemble the planter, please watch the planter assembly video. The trellis will arrive with printed assembly instructions, which I will now demonstrate. To assemble a trellis, you will need two 17mm wrenches and one 16mm wrench. For a trellis that has casters, position the caster under the bracket and the L brace and put in the outer bolt to hold it in place. Now that you have secured the casters to the brackets and the L braces, you can put on the cross angle iron. Now you are ready to tighten down all the nuts and bolts. You will need the two 17-inch wrenches. Now you're ready to set the planter into the base, and during this step it's probably easier to have two people. Now you're ready to put on the screens. Now you're ready to put on the two extension brackets and put on the second screen.